Hi, my name is Michael Johnson. I'm a Gypsy Traveller from Poole, Dorset. But today I'm going to show you how to cook my spaghetti bolognese. What I'm going to use to cook spaghetti bolognese is lean beef, steak mince, 500 grams. I'm going to cook it with tomato puree, a bit of oxo cube, onions, and a few tomatoes, a bit of paprika with that to give it a little bit of flavour, and add the sauce at the end, a smooth tomato sauce because we're putting vegetables in, so we look for smooth sauce. And then we're going to cook some mushrooms with it. At the end we add grate some cheese for the spaghetti. We boil, and obviously I'm going to use this spaghetti, really cheap, they're 50p in Aldi's. You get a couple of these bake at home white baguettes, to dunk in the sauce. You cook them for 12 minutes. You can get any bread you want really. First step of cooking my spaghetti bolognese is cook the mince 4 or 5 minutes on a slow heat with some sunflower oil. Then add some garlic for about a minute. Next step, you add tomatoes, onions and mushrooms. Give that a stir. And then I add my secret ingredient, is a oxo cube. Brings out the rich taste and keeps the gravy nice and thick. Next step I do is I put some tomato puree, cook for 4 or 5 minutes, keep stirring, and add a little paprika while you're doing that. Just a little touch of paprika. Keep stirring. Okay, the next step is spaghetti. I picked this one today, but we can use, there's 20 different types. I'm going to put it in a hot boiling pan of water. Use a tablespoon full of salt. Give it a good stir. Okay, the next step is to use smooth tomato sauce because we've already got the vegetables. Cook about 10-15 minutes, let it simmer. Keep stirring. Okay, if you fancy some bread rolls to dunk it into the sauce, I picked this today. Very easy to put in the oven. The finishing touch of the bolognese today is some mature cheddar. Grate it up in a grater and put as much as you like on. Okay, here's the finishing touch of my spaghetti bolognese. Thank you very much. Please do enjoy cooking your spaghetti at home. Please share on the Friendly Food Club on Facebook, please.